Nervous. So nervous. But will you say I'm crazy? Here's where the story of how I killed Old Man Jenkins. Old Man Jenkins was a nice man. He never did me wrong. He was never rude or insulted me in any way. He provided me food and shelter in exchange for his caretaking. But there was one thing that bothered me, that I wanted him dead. And that was his eye. Every night for 8 days, I spent an hour trying to open his bedroom door so I could watch him sleep.
A few inches later.
It horrified me knowing that beneath his mask lied his horrid eye. On the 8th night, I decided I would kill him.
Okay, Dad.
I chopped off Old Man Jenkins' arms and legs and decapitated his head. I hid them in his closet, right next to the Twilight series and the Justin Bieber doll, complete with 12 different outfits and his tour bus. No one is going to check now. Coincidentally, the cops showed up the next morning. A scream had been heard in town, and they were checking to see if everything had been alright.
Hello, my name is Matt, CEO of Burger King. I invented One Direction. I'm a part-time actor, but a full-time cop. This here is my friend, Julian Juan Angelito Carlitos de la Guardia. He doesn't talk much.
I asked them if they had time to spare to check the place out, and that everything is normal at Old Man Jenkins.
Sure, I guess we have time. Let's check this crease outside. Yay! No problem. Gotta close the door. Lock it just in case. Just in case. Just in case. Gotta take this place out. What are you doing? What are you doing? Let's go. Don't push me around. Okay. We have to walk around the shop.
After they came in, I offered some food for them and had a little chat.
Did you really have to get all that food? I'm hungry.
Everything is according to plan, but wait! They're laughing at me. They know I killed him.
So, you know what's wrong? Yeah, push to that. What's wrong with that guy?
I can hear his beating heart. This pain is unbearable. I can't take this anymore. Sob, cry, cry. My life's horrible.
Who is his heart? One, go. Here's his heart. Go. Shut